Okay, just arrived. 2021 Triumph Bonneville 1200 Speed Twin. Really nice condition this, low mileage bike. It's already got the tail tidy on it. Saves you having to put that on it. Tidies the back end up nicely. Lovely metallic red paintwork. It's got the little fly screen on already. These really do look the part, particularly with the upside down Mazzocchi forks, Brembo calipers. So really good condition all round. All the cosmetics are good, consumables are good. It's got full history with it, and obviously it will go through our workshop as well before it leaves us. Those little silencers there. 71 plate. Come with the Michelin Road 6s, which are really good tyres. Probably one of the better ones you can get now. Nice bar head mirrors on it. It's got modes, riding modes, switchable traction control, ABS is standard. 2,875 miles. Baffles in those silencers. There you have it, 2021 Triumph Bonneville 1200 Speed Twin. It's in stock now in our showroom in Maidstone. Pop down, have a look, see what you think. See you soon.